Good morning, welcome back children. This is the third part of class 3 social studies lesson 8, safety first. In this video we will learn about traffic symbols, first aid and emergency numbers and good touch or bad touch. So what are traffic symbols children? Traffic symbols include the traffic signals and rules which we have to follow so that we can know how we have to behave while we are on road or we are traveling by road. The first three main lights of the traffic signal are red light. Red means to stop. Yellow light says slow down or get ready. Green means to go. So we have to follow these three traffic lights properly. Now see children, this is the sign of no parking. It means we cannot park our vehicles over here. It is not allowed to park any vehicle wherever this sign is there. First aid and emergency numbers. So first aid is the help which is given to a person who has been hurt or is suddenly ill before a doctor arrives or before he gets any kind of medical help. First aid can sometimes also save a person's life, but more often it is helpful in everyday accident or illness. Children, a first aid kit has all the important things that one needs during a medical emergency. But before you have to perform first aid, you have to follow the following rules. Before you do anything to help your friend, make sure that it is safe for you to help. If your friend is in a dangerous place, like in the middle of the road, if he or she has fallen off a bike, then move them to a safer place. Do not move a person who may have a bad injury. So this is the first rule. Find out if your friend is awake and able to talk to you. Talk to you means he is responding to you. Call out to the person. Tap the face or shoulder gently. Ask what happened and where it hurts. Ask someone to help you people or to dial 102 for an ambulance. While you help the person, if you are trained in first aid, if you have proper training, you know the proper rules, then only you give him first aid, or else just call the ambulance. Pressure on a bleeding wound is usually enough to stop the flow of blood. So pressure means putting force against something, that is pressure. Use an antiseptic lotion to clean a wound, then tie a bandage on the wound. Antiseptic is a type of cream which helps to prevent the growth of bacteria or germs. If the clothes catch fire, put out fire immediately by stopping, dropping and rolling. If outdoors, this is something that works better on a grass than it does on tiles. In case of burns, place the burnt part under cold running water or ice. Apply an anti-burn lotion if available. So whatever is available, you can use that. Dial the following numbers in case of an emergency. So whenever there is an emergency children, for police you have to dial 100, ambulance 102, fire 101 and disaster management 108. You have to learn these emergency numbers. Got it? Good touch and bad touch. Children, we all know the differences between a good touch and bad touch. But children should be aware what is good and what is bad, and they should say no if they do not like being touched in a certain way. It means if someone is touching you and you are feeling uncomfortable, then you should learn to say no. All the body parts that are covered by their swimsuits are called private parts. So you should always follow a swimsuit rule. So the body parts that are covered by a swimsuit are called our private parts. Thus, no one should be allowed to touch them there. Also, nobody is supposed to touch them on their mouth, neck and hair. So, you should never allow anyone to touch your mouth, neck and hair. Good touch is the touch which makes you feel good and happy. The touch which makes you happy. For example, your mother's hug, a good night kiss from parents, grandparents holding hands, doctor giving injection or doing a checkup. These all are good or safe touch. Now, what is bad touch? Bad or unsafe touch is a touch that makes you feel unpleasant, means you are not comfortable with it, unhappy, and you want it to stop immediately. For example, feeling hurt or pain, pushing or grabbing, and touching private parts for no reason are all types of bad touch. So, the touch which make you feel unhappy and unpleasant are bad touch. So, children, you should always get away if someone touches you in a bad way, and you should strictly tell your parents or teachers about the matter, and you should tell them the complete truth. You should also stay away from people who try to give you gifts and ask to meet alone. So, never accept any kinds of gift and do not go to them. They should tell their parents about such people. See, children, these are the safe touches. By your mom, by the doctor, then again your mom, your grandfather, your father, then siblings. So, these all are safe touches. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through the chapter properly, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. In the next video, we will be discussing about the question answers. Thank you.